Hi students, welcome to Narayana Virtual Classes. This is Venkat. Today let's go to discuss one more assignment, that is the topic is refraction of light at plane surfaces. This is assignment number 2. Here mainly some MCQs, some questions are there. Let's go to discuss some MCQ questions. See the first question here. The question is, this is assertion reason type questions. What is the assertion here? It is difficult to shoot a fish swimming in water. So it is difficult to shoot a fish in swimming water. Yes, the assertion is correct. Once you see here, so this is the actual position of the fish, this is the apparent position of the fish. So when the person is try to shoot a fish, actually he is seeing only the image of the fish. That's why that shooter does not possible to shoot a fish. So that's why assertion is correct. See the reason here, due to refraction fish in water does not change its position, but actually due to refraction fish in water does change the position. See, this is the actual position, this is the apparent position, but actually here in the region they given does not change. So this is the false statement. So thus due to the refraction fish in water change its position, the position of the fish is changes. That's why here assertion is true but reason is false. That's why first question answer is option A. See next to second one, the question is, what is principle involved behind the formation of mirages? You know very well, the mirages mainly the formation due to total internal reflection. See here picture, here on the road it appears like a water droplets, some water particles are there. So why it appears means that is due to total internal reflection. So this is the mirages. This mirages is formation due to TIR, total internal reflection. That is the answer for question number 2. Let's see here the question 3 here. If an angle of incident is 90 degrees, what is the corresponding angle incident is called? See here, so this is the different surfaces of medium. So when the light ray is traveling from denser to rarer medium, here the light ray is refracted rays goes like that. The angle of refraction is 90 degrees. In the time the angle of incident is called critical angle. The name is critical angle. The angle is critical angle. Okay. So what is the critical angle means? See here, the angle between refracted ray and normal ray is 90 degrees. In that time angle of incident is called critical angle. Critical angle. Okay. So that is the answer for question number 3. Next see here the question number 4 here. The question is, a straight rod appears bent in water. Why? A straight rod is bent in water. What is the reason here? The reason is when the water in the glass rod is placed inside the water, where the water and glass are both are is touches, that place is due to that refraction condition. Due to refraction, the glass rod appears to be bent in water. That is the reason for refraction of light. What is the reason here? Refraction of light. Let's see here question number 5 here. The question is, give some examples of daily life situations of refraction. Let's go to discuss some example for refraction of light. The first example is, the coin appears to rise when the coin is placed inside the water. See here, actually this is a real coin. That coin is appears to rise when the coin is inside the any water vessel. So that's why the coin appears to be raised inside the water, that is due to refraction of light. So that is the first example for refraction of light. And second one is, this is actually the lemon. The lemon you should keep inside the water. The lemon appears to be big in size inside the water, that is due to refraction of light. And see third one here, a straight pencil is you have to place inside the any glass of water, that pencil is appeared to be bent, that is due to refraction of light. And one more example, you should keep any glass rod, you should keep in any printed letters, you should take any printed letters, you should keep any glass rod should keep on the printed letters, that letters to be, you have to view that letters, it is appears like a different directions, that is due to refraction of light. Means if any glass rod, any glass slab should keep on any printed letters, it is appears to be viewed, is look like these are separate, means it is the separate places, that is due to refraction of light. So these all are the some example for refraction of light in daily life. Next go to sixth question here. The question here, observe the following table, answer the following questions. Here they given one side is the material medium given, and one more side they given the refractive index. Air refractive index 1.003 and water 1.33, kerosene 1.44 and benzene is 1.50. So this is the materials and refractive index. Let us go to discuss some questions about this table. In which medium do light pass with less speed? You know very well relation between speed of light and refractive index. The refractive index is inversely proportional to speed. So where the more refractive index is there, that medium have less speed of light. See here, observe the carefully, the benzene have more refractive index is there. That's why the more refractive index of benzene, it has less amount of speed. That's why the answer for the first question, in which medium do light passes with less speed? That answer is benzene. The answer is benzene. Okay. So that is the answer for first one. Next see here, which is the optical denser, either water or kerosene? See the table here carefully, water and kerosene. Water refractive index 1.33 and kerosene is 1.44. Compare these two, which is optically more. So refractive index and density is both are directly proportional. So means refractive index is directly proportional to density. So compare these two, kerosene and water. The kerosene is refractive index 1.44 and water is 1.33. That's why that is, which is the optical denser, means that is kerosene. So that is the answer for question number 2. Next see here third one, consider the air as surrounding medium, which medium has more chances for total internal reflection. So observe carefully here, the benzene have more refractive index is there. It is possible to total internal reflection. See here, the benzene refractive index is 1.50 and you know very well speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 power of 8, and we want to find what is the speed of, light. What is the speed of light here? You should find speed here. So that is NB, refractance of benzene is 1.50 and C is equal, speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 power of 8. And you should find speed. You know very well what is the formula here, absolute refractive index, V is equal to N is equal to N is equal to C by V. N is equal to C by V. Here N value is 1.50 is equal to C value 3 into 10 power of 8 by V. You should find that V value here. V is equal to 1.50, V is equal to we want to find what is the speed of light here. So 3 into 10 power of 8 by refractive index 1.50. So let's, you have to try to do cancel 1.51s, 1.52s. So speed of light is equal to 2 into 10 power of 8 meter per second. So the speed is very less in the benzene. That's why the more chances in the total reflection is takes place in the medium is benzene. So, that is the answer for third one. Next, go to discuss the last question, that is activity. Describe an activity to explain vertical shift. So, this is the activity you want to find vertical shift as well as refractive index. See here the activity here. First you have to take the materials are required. Take one rectangular glass slab. It is placed middle of the white chart. It is placed middle of the white chart. This is the white chart. You should keep in the middle of the white chart. And you should take the boundaries. You should take the names A, B, C, D. This is the boundaries of rectangular glass slab. Now, you have to remove that glass slab and take the names A, B, C, D. Again, you should take from AB surface, draw one vertical line. That is a perpendicular line you have to draw from AB surface. Now, take one pin is placed from AB surface exactly 15 centimeters. So, this should take the name P. So, from the AB surface, the pin P is how much distance here? 15 centimeter from AB surface. Now, check the second pin. The second pin should take, and we have to see from another surface of the glass slab and place on the P, where you should keep the first pin is there. You should try to keep that place. Again, due to the refraction, our view will be changed. Then automatically when you have to see through that glass slab, that pin you should keep certain place. That is, you should take